Hello there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to correctly install the VS Code editor on your computer with Windows, Mac or Linux operating systems. To install the VS Code editor on your computer, first open your web browser and search for VS Code. From the search results, select the link that shows code.visualstudio.com. From this VS Code official website homepage, click on this drop-down button and then select your computer's operating system type. I'm using a Windows machine, so I will download the Windows version. It is around 96 MB in size. Wait for the download to complete. If you want to get similar tips and tricks, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell icon. Now that we have finished downloading VS Code editor, go to Downloads folder. Here is our VS Code exe file. Double-click on it to start the installation. Then select I accept the agreement. And then click on Next. Check Create a Desktop icon if you want. And then click on Next. And then click on Install. Now wait for a few seconds while it installs on our computer. Once the installation is complete, uncheck Launch VS Code and click on Finish. Now let's check if VS Code is working. From the Windows search area, search for VS Code and open it. As you can see, it is working. As I previously opened React folders, it automatically browses them. But your VS Code editor may show the default windows only. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing. Have a nice day.